Shocking case studies. There is no doubt that Instagram is becoming more popular in the world of social media. It's become very beneficial to promote your brand easily and share your content links of your website to Instagram, which is one of the best ways to market your brand. Here are the Instagram case studies that showcase the most unique and creative strategies that provide impressive results. How Philadelphia became more visible to their industry. Philadelphia is a famous cheese company that has a large brand utilizing social platforms. They are the first company that used Instagram to promote their brands and reach their goals successfully. Philadelphia wanted to showcase the creative photos of their foodies, so the viewer would not be able to resist what they offer. They wanted to show different kinds of things you can do with cheese and how they can help party planners. In their marketing campaign, they targeted 25 to 40-year-old females, who in general are the people planning a party. Through their campaign, they showcased the proper uses of cheese. They saw an 8-point increase in message association. Their company became more visible to their audience and increased their sales by almost 41%. Levi's impressive results with a marketing campaign on Instagram. Levi's is one of the best American retailers to focus on the idea of living in a moment and express it through their photos. Through this ad campaign, they wanted to become a more widely recognized blue jean maker across the globe. They wanted to show in photographs that by wearing their iconic clothing in the outdoors, people would enjoy beautiful moments. This would encourage people to buy and wear their products, so they pushed their campaign using images. Their marketing campaign was focused on groups of people that were 18 to 34 in the U.S. In their campaign, they wanted to intrigue users with the impressive photos of their products. Levi's Instagram campaign has reached almost 7.4 million people in the U.S. and saw a 24-point lift in ad recall. Currently, it is one of the marketing campaigns on Instagram that reaches a huge number of millennials. How Mercedes-Benz broke the record of a marketing campaign in Instagram. Mercedes-Benz is a well-known car company that launched their GLA model, which is considered the first compact SUV. Due to this, they wanted to gain exposure for their new product and inform people about their launch. They wanted to create an engaging Instagram marketing campaign that would reach out to lots of photographers by asking questions. Among the questions, they asked, "What will you pack in the GLA?" The consumer would take a photo to show how versatile the car would be for their trip. They achieved a 14-point jump in their ads and gained a 54% increase on their site. They also got direct responses from their audience. How Burt's Bees benefited from Instagram marketing ads. Burt's Bees is one of the great low-priced products that have benefited from Instagram ads. They wanted to promote their new collection of a lip crayon line, expand awareness, and increase their ad recall in the world of beauty. They wanted to look to the growing attention of their market, where they could show their original products in a very natural way. In their marketing campaign on Instagram, they targeted the 18 to 24-year-old crowd in the U.S. to show them that their product could delight their lips. They saw a 5-point increase in their product awareness and a 16-point rise in their ad recall. The unique way of Bloom & Wild in chasing perfect ads in Instagram. Bloom & Wild used Power Editor to create their Instagram campaign and used their existing email list and created a lookalike audience. They also tested their normal campaigns and compared the engagement of their photos. Whichever photo got the most attention would be the one they would use in their campaign. They found out which videos and photos were best to use in an ad campaign to get the highest rate of conversion. When they chose the winning ad, it would ensure they could scale up their ad campaign and provide a strong call to action for their ads. They immediately increased their orders by almost 62%, and many customers recognized their bouquet shop. Great marketing campaign of Frank Bod. Frank Bod is one of the best Australian skin and body care brands which uses coffee for their products. They wanted to make people familiar with their unique products and make their image become the center of Instagram. They used their own hashtag to promote their brand perfectly and caught the attention of their audience. They now have 690,000 followers, and their customers became aware of why they needed their products. Unique ways created brand awareness for Adidas Neo products. Adidas is already known by most people, but they wanted to inspire more people by using Instagram posts to make their audience engage their products. They wanted to target young and popular celebrities to spread the news of a contest. They launched the contest to create buzz in the market and used hashtags for celebrity users to post their images through their hashtag MyNeoShoot. Adidas generated 71,000 mentions for their hashtags and reached 41,000 followers. Explore the city through Know Your City. Know Your City offers great photos and videos of different cities through the use of hashtags. They showcase and explore the natural beauty of different cities. They used lots of Instagram accounts to follow their Instagram, brands, gems, and used Instagram professionally for users to promote their brand or business. Their account became more connected and engaged by people. Promoting fitness with Kayla Itziness and Instagram. If you want to be inspired to be fit, Kayla Itziness is the best for helping you do this. She writes articles, blogs, and ebooks on the subject. She tells the stories about her fitness app and other products and wants to make the community be part of it. She markets her product by mentioning them over and over and includes amazing photos to tell the stories through the use of her app and other programs. She has 5.6 thousand followers and is one of the more prominent figures on Instagram. How Guerlain marketed their brand on Instagram successfully. Guerlain is one of the oldest houses of perfumes. They marched into the world of cosmetics and wanted to get recognized by the young. They established 4 weeks of Instagram pictures for their campaign and targeted women in France to present the connection of Paris and terracotta in a very elegant and classy way. They created beautiful photos that they used to target their audience that provided great impact with real accuracy. Their photo campaign reached overwhelming success and has been loved by almost 965,000 women, which added 23 points to their ad recall and 15 points to their brand campaign. Instagram can be amazing to people who want to promote their products and services and engage their customers to provide the highest return available.